Hey, it's Tony here at Smart Motors Toyota in Madison, Wisconsin. Today we're going to take a quick look at this 2020 Toyota Sequoia Limited Edition. This is video 1 of the exterior, and then in video 2 I'll review the interior. Okay, let's get started up front. Take a look at our headlight package. So these are LED headlights, LED driving lights, and daytime running lights. Super bright, super white, really great. Down here we've got some halogen fog lights. On the lower bumper you can see they're surrounded by the chrome accents, and then we do have our pedestrian detection and parking assist right there as well, including some of those sensors are mounted in here, dynamic radar cruise control, that type of stuff, and some more chrome trim around the bottom of the grille. Chrome trim here, chrome badging on the Toyota badge, and then chrome trim here with a gunmetal gray painted insert on the front grille. Really a nice looking vehicle up front. Notice the hood is sculpted on the sides here, giving it maybe a more of a sculpted truck-like look. And this is truly a SUV with a body on frame construction. So this thing will haul and it will tow pretty darn good. Now we've got these huge alloy wheels on here, and these are going to be a 20-inch alloy wheel. So they're brushed aluminum here, painted on the center here, and then our disc brake system in there with the Bridgestone tires, 275/55 are 20-inch tires. And here's a quick look up underneath of our suspension setup. So you can see we've got that coil over strut suspension up front, independent suspension up front, so it should ride pretty good, but it's also going to be a rigid ride. If you're going to go off-road, it'll be fine for that. Notice we have factory mud guards as well as factory painted, colored to match running boards, and then this chrome trim piece all the way down the side adds to the extra styling. Up on your mirrors we've got chrome covers on the mirrors. These mirrors are collapsible and they're power folding. Of course, they're heated, they have blind spot monitoring, they have your turn indicators right here in the mirror. We've got chrome door handles and then tinted windows across the back windows. Here's your limited badging. Here's a quick look at the window sticker. Original price is $62,215. This does have the premium JBL audio system, $1,065, and then the all-weather floor mats at $373. Destination is $1,300. Total sticker price $65,018. Fuel economy 18 miles per gallon combined city and highway. Also notice up top we do have standard luggage rack, which is adjustable. Here's another look at those mud flaps on the back. Swinging around to the back, you can see we have those huge, bold tail lights, backup lights, and Sequoia right here into the tailgate. Tinted window on the back with rear window defrost. And then this tinted window, it's power, so you can roll it up and down from up front. Washer wiper controls. There's a spoiler up here on the top, and you can see it does have your third brake light up there as well. Sequoia badging, brushed aluminum here. You can lock the door in the back. The tailgate is power. You can open it with your remote keyless, or you can go ahead and tug on the handle right here. Notice up under the tailgate there's your backup camera with your license plate lights. Go ahead and close that down. Nice size step bumper. If you need to get up on top, you're going to be able to get your foot up there, no problem. There's your towing package. So this is set up ready to go. Tows a little over 7,000 pounds. We've got 4-pin ready to go and also 7-pin ready to go. So you can just plug your boat, camper, trailer, jet ski in pretty quickly and you're good to go there. And then notice as we go underneath here, we do have a full-size spare tire. There's your rear suspension, just a quick look at it. And then as we come back out, notice we do have the parking sensors in the back as well. That's going to help you back this bad boy in. so you don't bump into anything. Let's go ahead and sweep down the side here. Again, with those running boards, those great chrome door handles, chrome mirror covers, all part of the limited edition package. This one's available right away here at Smart Toyota in Madison. Let's go ahead and dive under the hood and see what we can find. Okay, diving under the hood, notice when I open the hood up, it takes and opens the entire grille. So we can see right up front, we can see the oversized radiator. Here's your horns, here's your cooling fan. Everything's kind of right out in the open for you there. The engine on the Sequoia, it's the 5.7 liter V8, I-Force V8, produces 381 horsepower, 401 foot-pounds of torque, and it's connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. As I mentioned before, it will tow a little over 7,000 pounds. Now, the warranty on the engine and the transmission, the drivetrain, that's a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty with no deductible. And then on all Toyotas, including the Sequoia, you'll get Toyota Care. So that's all your fluids, all your basic maintenance, no charge, including your tire rotations. They're going to do that at no charge for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first. And then the vehicle itself has a 3-year, 36,000 mile limited warranty, also known as the bumper to bumper warranty. So a really great warranty package. And go. Okay, there you go. That's our new 2020 Toyota Sequoia magnetic gray in color. Hey, be sure you watch video number 2, part 2. That's my interior video. I'll show you all the great features on the inside of the limited Sequoia. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up if you would, please. If you want more like this, subscribe to our channel. Then if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer those questions, comments, or concerns. This is Tony at Smart Toyota. Thanks for watching.